Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I have a quick one for you guys on how to locate and utilize the film sequence effect on CapCut. So initially what you're going to want to do is go up to Effects, Video Effects, Retro, and then scroll down to find the film sequence effect. We're going to click and drag it down to the timeline, and now we're just going to shuffle through it to see how it looks. Bring it to the moment of the clip that you want it to be utilized in. I want it to be utilized in this position right here, where my sister misses the catch of the phone. And now with it being highlighted, we can go up to the special effects tab and mess with the filter and the speed of the effect. You guys can work with these as you'd like. So let's take a look. And there you have it, the film sequence effect on CapCut. If this was helpful in any way, please leave a like down below. If you have any questions, comment down below. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.